Hi there and welcome back. Guess who's back in town again? Let's get started. Step after step. Still a little bit insecure but optimistic. Our friend Udo is finally back home. The last months have been like a roller coaster for him, but now things seem to get better. He asked me to thank you all for your countless comments and get well wishes. Now only time will tell whether the new knee prosthesis will do its work. To give him the tranquility he needs, I decided not to bother him with my camera and expose him like a horse in a circus. But we will see him more and more. Just give him time. In the meantime, I decided to seize the lovely weather and cut down these stinging nettles. If we don't cut them early, they will grow head high and all the mosquitoes have a party in it during the daytime in summer. I know exactly what my mother says now as she watches this video. André, you have to continue working on the house. This is what the viewers want. And most probably she's right, as always. And yes, it's procrastination at its best. But now I have to continue working on the much hated bathroom and hey, the gardening is important too. Next week I will demo the bathroom, promised. Here he is, our friend and neighbor Udo. You've seen him several times before in other episodes. In the very first episode, for example, I made a joke out of it that he always comes along for a little chit-chat. You can't imagine how I missed exactly these little talks about everything and anything. This tiny house might be nice and clean. Its bigger sibling is not. To install a transparent roof underneath the alder trees comes at a price. You've got to clean it twice a year. Here we go. German DIYers are obsessed with their pressure washers. We clean everything with it, from roofs to cars and some even furniture. We even have a word for this activity. We call it Kärchern in German, like the most popular pressure washer manufacturer here in Germany. So satisfying. What a difference. As I said, we Kärcher everything. A warm weekend in spring. Everything starts to grow and flourish, especially the lawn. Another, very satisfying, procrastination method. Another chit-chat. As sometimes before I hesitated to upload this episode. Because, to be honest, most of the time I worked in the garden to avoid working inside on the bathroom. And what you can't see on camera now is that I spent even more time just sitting with neighbors, eating, talking, and having a good time. But I think this channel is not scripted, and my aim is to give you a weekly update of our real life here in our little corner of the world. And this time it was all about homecoming.
Over alles.